Tesla Model Y's service mode is a hidden diagnostic interface intended for authorized technicians. It provides access to advanced tools, system logs, and menus not available in the standard user interface. Think of it as a behind-the-scenes look at your car's systems, including components like autopilot sensors, powertrain, thermal systems, and firmware, through electronic control units. Service mode allows technicians to run tests on components like autopilot sensors, the powertrain, thermal systems, and firmware. It's crucial for diagnosing issues such as battery health, software glitches, and calibration needs. It ensures your Tesla operates at peak performance and helps identify potential problems early on. As of January 2026, Tesla has significantly enhanced security measures to prevent unauthorized access to service mode. Over-the-air updates have integrated stricter authentication protocols, often requiring a physical technician key or vehicle-specific codes. This is to prevent tampering and potential safety issues. While Tesla restricts access, some methods have been shared online. These methods may not work due to security updates, and attempting them could void your warranty. The first method involves the brake pedal, power button, and steering wheel scroll buttons. With the car in park and powered off, press and hold the brake pedal, then press and release the power button. While holding the brake, simultaneously press and hold the two scroll buttons on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the touchscreen displays Service menu. The second method involves tapping the Tesla logo and entering a code. Rapidly tap the Tesla T logo on the main screen 7 to 10 times in a specific pattern, then enter a hidden code like 422 or 999 if prompted. Once you access service mode, you'll find the main menu with several key sections. The primary areas include diagnostics, software, calibration, and logs. These sections provide access to advanced vehicle information and tools. In the diagnostics section, you can monitor critical systems like battery state of charge, motor temperatures, and run self-tests on various components. For example, you can check battery health levels and ensure optimal charging ranges. The software section allows you to view firmware versions, release notes, and manage software updates. You can also reinstall software if needed, but this should be done carefully. Calibration handles sensor alignment, such as occupancy sensors and autopilot hardware. This ensures accurate readings for features like seat detection and autonomous driving. The logs section contains system logs, error codes, and service alerts. This is useful for troubleshooting issues like thermal management or powertrain problems. However, be extremely cautious when using service mode. Incorrect actions can trigger alerts to Tesla's servers or temporarily disable vehicle functions, potentially voiding your warranty or causing safety issues. Tampering with Tesla Model Y service mode carries significant risks. Unauthorized access can void your vehicle's warranty, potentially leaving you responsible for expensive repairs. In some cases, improper entry may permanently damage or brick your infotainment system, requiring costly replacements that can cost up to $1,500. Additionally, there are safety concerns, as tampering could affect vehicle functions, and legal risks under laws like the DMCA for circumventing protections. Statistics show that 15% of owner-initiated service entries lead to unnecessary repairs. To avoid these issues, always prioritize professional Tesla service centers for diagnostics and repairs. The future of Tesla Diagnostics is shaped by increasing digitization and security measures. Tesla is evolving its diagnostic systems to be more cloud-based, potentially phasing out manual entry methods entirely. Tesla's diagnostic systems are becoming more digitized, with enhanced security to protect vehicle integrity and prevent unauthorized access. Tesla is shifting to cloud-based diagnostics, where vehicle data is accessed remotely through Tesla's servers. This could eventually phase out manual entry methods, making diagnostics more efficient and secure. AI-driven predictive diagnostics are on the horizon. Service mode data will feed into Tesla's servers, enabling proactive repairs before issues arise. This represents a major advancement in vehicle maintenance. These advancements come with enhanced security measures to protect against cyber threats. The future outlook points to 90% of diagnostic issues resolved remotely by 2030, revolutionizing vehicle service. Experts recommend professional access to service mode to avoid voiding your warranty. Tesla mechanics and independent analysts estimate that 15% of owner-initiated service entries lead to unnecessary repairs, while Tesla's robust cybersecurity measures protect against unauthorized tampering. While consumer access might expand through subscription-based services, regulatory pressures such as the EU's Digital Markets Act could mandate more openness in Tesla's diagnostic systems. Stay informed about Tesla's official updates and consult authorized technicians for any diagnostic needs. This ensures vehicle integrity, warranty protection, and safe operation of your Tesla Model Y.